Have you ever wondered how flowers are arranged on a plant? Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of inflorescences. Instead of single flowers, many plants have clusters called inflorescences or synflorescences. Inflorescence in a flowering plant. Inflorescence is a cluster of flowers on a branch or a system of branches. An inflorescence is categorized based on arrangement of flowers, timing of flowering, branching patterns. Morphologically, an inflorescence is the modified part of the shoot of seed plants where flowers are formed on the axis of a plant. The modifications can involve the length and the nature of the internodes and the phyllotaxis, as well as variations in the proportions, compressions, swellings, adnations, connation and reduction of primary and secondary axes. There is no consensus in defining the different inflorescences. The main groups of inflorescences are distinguished by branching. Within these groups, the most important characteristics are the intersection of the axes and different variations of the model. They may contain many flowers or a few. Inflorescences can be simple or compound. Simple inflorescences. 1. Racemose. Also known as monopodial, open or indeterminate, inflorescences. Youngest flowers at the top of an elongated axis or center of a truncated axis. No true terminal flower. Acropetal flowering, bottom to top. It is of various types as 1. Raceme. It is an unbranched, indeterminate inflorescence with pedicellate, having short floral stalks, flowers along the axis. 2. Spike. It is a type of raceme with flowers that do not have a pedicel. 3. Racemose corymb. It is an unbranched, indeterminate inflorescence that is flat-topped or convex due to their outer pedicels, which are progressively longer than inner ones. 4. Umbel. It is a type of raceme with a short axis and multiple floral pedicels of equal length that appear to arise from a common point. It is characteristic of umbellifery. 5. Spadix. It is a spike of flowers densely arranged around it, enclosed or accompanied by a highly specialized bract called a spathe. It is characteristic of the family Araceae. 7. A catkin or ament. It is a scaly, generally drooping spike or raceme. Cymose or other complex inflorescences that are superficially similar are also generally called catkin. 2. Cymose, also known as sympodial, closed or determinate, inflorescences. Youngest flowers at the bottom of an elongated axis or outside of a truncated axis. Terminal flower matures first. Flowering patterns which are common in cymose are 1. Acropetal, base to top. 2. Basipetal, top to base. Or 3. Divergent, central first. Apical meristem produces a flower bud, thus halting peduncle growth. Types. 1. Cyme. It has a flat-topped. Central flowers open first. Example, onion. 2. Dichasium. It is a unit of a cyme. With stunted central flower, 2 lateral flowers on elongated pedicels. Example, wood stitchwort. 3. Panicle, cymose, or branched raceme. Each branch with multiple flowers. Example, astilbe. 4. Monochasium. Only one secondary axis. Helicoid cyme, bostrix secondary buds on the same side. Drepanium, pedicels aligned on the same plane. Scorpioid cyme, secondary buds alternate. Cincinus, pedicels arranged in a spiral. Rhipidium, pedicels arranged in a zigzag as in Iridaceae. Secondary axis is monochasial. Pleochasium. More than two secondary axes. Compound inflorescences or synflorescences. Simple inflorescences are the basis for compound inflorescences. The single flowers are replaced by a simple inflorescence, which can be both a racemose or a cymose one. Compound inflorescences are composed of branched stems and can involve complicated arrangements that are difficult to trace back to the main branch. One compound panicle inflorescence is the double inflorescence, in which the basic structure is repeated in the place of single florets. For example, a double raceme is a raceme in which the single flowers are replaced by other simple racemes. The same structure can be repeated to form triple or more complex structures. Compound raceme inflorescences can either end with a final raceme, homeothetic, or not, heterothetic. Two compound umbels are umbels in which the single flowers are replaced by many smaller umbels called umbellets. The stem attaching the side umbellets to the main stem is called a ray. 3. The most common kind of definite compound inflorescence is the panicle, of Webelling, or panicle-like cyme. A panicle is a definite inflorescence that is increasingly more strongly and irregularly branched from the top to the bottom and where each branching has a terminal flower. The so-called cymose corymb is similar to a racemose corymb but has a panicle-like structure. We've covered simple and compound inflorescences, from racemes to panicles. Explore the inflorescences in your own backyard. Subscribe for more botanical adventures.